it's a really new market in the UK, and I would say about 30% of our clients now are on Zoho Books. All of those clients are loving the product because it's making their life really, really easy.
Currently I'm mainly using the Zoho CRM, but we have also considered using Zoho Books, Zoho Desk and some other applications. So I think it's very interesting for me to actually explore how we can integrate those and put them together in the future.
For the last 25 years I have been doing manual VAT returns, and Zoho is the only system which will actually create all of the boxes automatically for us and calculate it, which saves us an awful lot of work.
Of Zoho we use it for a number of years, moving to Zoho 1, and it's been a wonderful experience.
My experience of the event has been really great. It's been super intensive, it has been really useful, and I can actually say that it's been one of the best conferences that I've visited in London.
Zoholics is always fantastic, there's great people here, you meet all the team. It's a whole different situation to liaising online, because once you meet the team you really realise how great they are, how good they are at what they do, and how willing they are to help.
Our experience today with Zoho has been absolutely fantastic. It's a wonderful event. You get to ask the experts a lot of questions, they have really good answers, and it's a great opportunity to listen to what other people's experiences are as well.
It's been really interesting to have a look at the other possible apps that we can use and how perhaps we're not using the app correctly, or we can expand our use of it. So that's been really good, and it's been inspiring actually to see how other people have been using the apps as well.